shout out to Donna Hayes and Rahat Rutaba. Thanks so much for subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for regular uploads and your chance to be included in shout outs for future videos. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be making my double almond bars, some more of them, the lime, patchouli and rose. And it's such a beautiful combination. I did 1.5% each of patchouli, lime, distilled, and rose geranium essential oil. And the remaining 0.5% I ended up doing cedarwood, which is a little different from what I've done in all the other kind of batches I've done. And the reason why I did that, because then it brings it up to, max 5%, the essential oil in the recipe. And I chose to fill that 0.5% gap with cedarwood, just to further fix the whole blend down and to give the patchouli a little bit of a helping hand. So that was the kind of reasoning behind why I did that. And I am doing the colours a little different this time. Usually I just do a beige and green smell. It is a fairly unisex smell, even though it's got rose in it. It does smell, it's quite unisex. Like, I think it's, suited to both males and females. And for me personally, I actually quite like the combination. But the third colour, I'll be doing pink Australian clay. So it's green Australian clay, beige Australian clay and pink Australian clay, 60 grams each because it's 6 kilo oil batch, so I'm splitting it into 3. So that's the colours, and of course the essential oil blend is right there, with the natural vitamin E, of course. So just move those to the side, and of course that's the lime water, 3% raw sugar, 1.2% sodium lactate and pink Himalayan salt, and of course 2% citric acid. So that's the lime water in there, and of course here we've got coconut oil, sweet almond oil, castor oil and Australian extra virgin olive oil, since now I've moved back to extra virgin. Really loving the olive oil that I'm using, which is, I believe I did show before in last week's video when I talked about Australian olive oil. Very, very nice. I actually quite love this olive oil, and it's actually the real deal. So very, very nice. I am a bit naughty with my soaps. I tend to use them after about 5-6 days. And beautiful, very, very nice. I have to say, I really do miss that conditioning that I was getting with extra virgin before I made the switch to virgin. And I'm really happy I made the switch back, because I really like how soft my skin is feeling now. So very, very happy with that. I'll be using my new slab mold. Let me just find it. Alright, well, not find it, it's right behind me, but yes, so that's my new slab. I needed a second one, so thank you, Vinny. And you can see Soap Cutter AU on it, beautiful. Looking forward to trying it out. I'm sure it's not going to be different, it's going to be the same great quality, but obviously the colour is different, which you'll see. It's black all around. And of course in here is my ultra concentrated almond milk in here as well. I melt it with the coconut oil on low, and then I add all the soft oils to it. And then I give it a good blend with the stick blender. Right, so everything is at the correct temperature, so I think I'm going to go ahead and soak now. Is there anything else I would like to cover? That's pretty much it. I'm just going to have a relaxing day, soap making, then a few hours come back and cut the soap. And this video, I don't know when I'll upload it, but usually videos that I upload are at least 2 weeks done in advance. So you might hear me mention, like, certain days or whatever. and 2 or 3 weeks have actually passed. So just to let you know that because I do film pretty much everything I do, there's usually delayed by 2 or 3 weeks, sometimes even 4 to 5 weeks, depending how many videos I record in a row. And I've got a surplus of videos, which is great. So I'm not that much in a panic rush, because I like to have weekly videos every Saturday. So yeah, I'm going to stop my yakking and stop talking and go and start the soap. So I guess I will see you right now making soap.